Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a very simple way of making an emergency disposable face mask. All you need are two items: wet wipes and scissors. So let's go ahead and get this started. Like this video as you're starting. So the first step, take two wet wipes. 1, 2. Okay, straighten it like that. Line them, ensure they're very well lined, in line with each other. Then fold them into half. Then here at the edge you fold it like that. Then cut a small hole for the ears. Okay, so let me move closer. So this is what you have. This is for the ears. So place it. It stretches, this part stretches. So place it. There you have your face mask.